Lollipops and donuts. Kids' two favorite things. I'm making a 2-inch -1 delight, so the kids get double the fun. Let's begin. 1 egg. 2 TBSP white sugar. 1. 2 TSP salt. Now whisk eggs. Take half a cup of lukewarm milk and add 1 TBSP yeast. Add 2 cups of flour to the egg mixture. Add the milk and yeast mixture into the flour. Mix well until a soft dough forms. Add 1 TBSP of softened butter and mix well. I used half a cup of flour during the kneading process. Lightly grease your hands with olive oil to handle the dough without it sticking. Cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap and let the dough proof in a warm spot for at least an hour or until doubled in size. The dough is now perfectly proofed and doubled in size. Divided the dough into 2 parts. Flatten the dough with a rolling pin. I am cutting out circles using a round cookie cutter. I'm using a piping nozzle to cut out the center holes. Place the shaped donuts on a greased tray, cover them lightly. Let them proof for an additional 30 minutes until they look puffy. I'm making heart-shaped donuts using a cookie cutter. Carefully drop the donuts into the hot oil. Fry for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until they reach a beautiful golden brown color. Fry all the donuts and let them cool. Make sure the donuts are completely cool before you start dipping them in chocolate. Otherwise the glaze will melt and run right off. Let's decorate them. I'm using milk chocolate, but you can use dark chocolate as well. Dip one side of each donut into the melted chocolate. Then immediately top with decorative sprinkles before the chocolate sets. I'm using 3 different types of sprinkles to give these a colorful finish. Golden sugar. And there you have it, delicious, colorful and fluffy donuts, ready to be enjoyed. Before serving, I'm inserting sticks into the donuts to turn them into donut pops. Drizzle with white chocolate too, if you like. Thanks for watching.